If you're just as hyped as the rest of us for the brand new HyperOS 3.0, then this is the video for you. In this video, we'll show you how to install HyperOS 3.0 on your Poco F6 or Redmi Turbo 3 step by step, the easy way.
The Virax TV.
Before we begin, here's what you'll need. Unlocked bootloader. Clean install is highly recommended. Download the HyperOS 3.0 flashable zip file. Link in description. Now, let's start the installation by shutting off your device and rebooting to fast boot mode by holding the power and volume down buttons at the same time. When you see the fast boot logo, you're in. Now connect to your PC via USB cable. On your PC, find the HyperOS 3.0 zip file you downloaded. Right-click and extract all files. After extracting, open the folder and run the flashing script of your choice. If you're doing a clean flash, which is recommended, select the script that formats the device. You'll also see a confirmation prompt. Just type Y and hit enter. Now just wait. Don't disconnect your phone. This part may take several minutes. Once flashing is done, the CMD window will close and your device will automatically reboot into HyperOS 3.0.
Once it boots up, just go through the regular setup process like a brand new phone, and that's it. HyperOS 3.0 is now running on your Poco F6. The same process works flawlessly on the Redmi Turbo 3 as well.
If you found this guide helpful, please drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. We've got more awesome guides coming your way. Cheers, and enjoy HyperOS 3.0.